A reason on why I vend is that it gives me a chance to realign my collection. At first, I used to collect Japanese cards, and I eventually shifted to English cards, and now I mainly collect PSA slabs, whether it be English or Japanese. So with that, I will be in the Card Expo in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay this weekend, and I will be selling off many of my Japanese hits. Mga ganito, karami. And I am hoping that some of these Japanese hits are the chase cards that you've been looking for. And I'm also continuing to finish my community binder. And just to share, a viewer gave this card to me. His name is Saitoshi, and he renamed it J Psyduck. He collects Greninjas. Ang cute. I just wanted to thank you for that. Tuwala ako kasi naglalakad lang ako sa Collector's Bazaar noon last weekend. So if you want to help me out, I'd be happy to receive a card from you. And I hope it's a card that reminds me of you. So I'm excited for this weekend, kaya tara, pull tayo. Ooh! Mana. And last, thanks for watching. So see you this weekend. Ang cute din pala nito. Hello!